Okay, Sparky.
Okay, Sparky.
Okay. So, because we're doing more than just Chicagoland radio, for this reason, I thought I would do more than Know Your Consumer Rights.
Oh, okay.
You know, because like in Illinois, you have the Know Your Consumer Rights pamphlet.
Sure. But in Missouri, I don't know that you've got that.
You don't.
Oh, okay.
So what I did is I just kind of backtracked, and I wanted to know, in the United States, how are consumers protected by unscrupulous peoples?
The peoples?
The peoples. So, consumer protection law is an area of law managed by the Bureau of Consumer Protection and overseen by the Federal Trade Commission. It protects you and me, consumers, from unethical and careless actions taken by businesses.
Uh-huh.
Well, the Division of Privacy and Identity Protection started in 2006 to oversee your privacy and protect you from unfair and deceptive practices.
Uh-huh.
Yes, this is a whole second layer.
Oh, okay.
What we're talking about here is a very big onion.
And are we going to peel it all back or just a piece of it?
Oh, no, I'm just going to tell you how ineffective the U.S. government is.
Oh.
So, consumer protection enforces the Federal Trade Commission Act, simply known as Section 5, which simply states consumers should be treated fairly and not deceived or put at risk due to unfair or deceptive practices.
Okay. That's
So
very
we have
generic.
a federal law that says that.
Okay.
They don't enforce it at all,
Uh-huh.
but they have a law.
Sure.
So you read this, you get that warm and fuzzy feeling, you're protected?
Right.
Me either.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so then we have another one, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which focuses on credit reporting businesses. And
Okay.
it's about being accurate about your credit report,
Oh, okay.
which nobody's ever had to have one of those fixed before.
No.
No. How about this one? You know this one. The Graham-Leach-Biley Act. It's the Financial Modernization Act of 1999.
Okay.
This bold move by the U.S. government requires financial institutions to have a written plan detailing how they keep your information secure.
Uh-huh. Equifax and all those have been...
Yes, what we do with your information is we put it in this big box.
For sure.
And we keep this box wired to the internet.
Uh-huh.
And
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. How about this one? The Children's Online Protection Act. Well, that protects you and your children from not only limiting program,
Okay.
but what information can be collected by children under 13.
Huh. Oh, you mean by like the
yes, so
Facebook
your
and Instagram
9-year-old is safe. Your 14-year-old, they're collecting all his data. Google,
Wow.
Alexa, they're all listening, collecting data.
Huh.
Okay. How about this one? These are all my favorites. So, deceptive advertising is actually regulated by the U.S. government. So that's when like images or words used in print or digital video ads make claims that are just not true or this is the key here, or omit information for a full understanding of the truth. Like free installation.
Right.
Buy one, get one free.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It ends soon. It's been going on all summer. They sale, buy one, get one free. It ends soon. But it's been,
Yes.
you see the commercials every morning all summer long. But they end soon.
So consumer protection and environmental claims.
Uh-huh.
Those deal with terms which can be misleading. Biodegradable, recyclable, non-toxic, flushable.
No, God, don't get me started on the flushables.
I only got halfway through.
Well, there you
next
go.
Month.
You got another one for next week.
No, I won't redo that. None.
We'll be back right after this.